guys, Akshata here from Akshata's Recipes. How are all of you doing? I hope all of you are doing well. So today I thought I'd just share with you a few tips that I thought would be useful and stuff that I like to follow during the summertime. It's hot outside and I just thought that these tips would be a little bit useful to make your day more productive and to be to make the most of the day. Would be to stay hydrated. Do drink a lot of water during the day. Always try to keep something handy like a water bottle or a jug or a kind of a mason jar, something that is with you all the time, whether you're working from home or you're in the kitchen or you're doing any of your chores. Try to keep something aside, like at the side, like a bottle of water or something which reminds you that you need to drink water. Don't wait for that point of the day where you're really thirsty and you want to drink water. So just keep drinking water during the day and keep yourself hydrated. Even you can drink other summer drinks. Like I put up many summer recipes on my channel. I'll leave the link to all those recipes down in the description box below. Stuff like jaljeera, it's so refreshing, so you can make a nice big jug of it and keep it in your refrigerator and serve it, and it's really very light and you feel really good after having it. Then you can also have soul kadhi, which is after your meals. It's really refreshing. Then there's fresh lime, and I've also put some fun recipes like iced coffee and mango milkshake. So go and check out all those recipes and try to inculcate, put them in your daily diet. Have something light but something which keeps you hydrated throughout the day. So tip number 2 would be to eat a lot of fresh veggies and fruits during this summertime. A lot of citrus fruits, of course. Mango, definitely have mango. It's really delicious and it's also very healthy. So you can either have it in just by itself, or you can have a mango milkshake or make a mango ice cream. So you can enjoy all this the typical the summer fruits. Also have you can have cooling fruits and vegetables. Also a lot of leafy salads and more of light food rather than having very heavy curries and a lot of fried stuff. Try to keep it light and have something which makes you feel light and you don't feel very lethargic and tired after eating all of that. So try to stay off fried foods and heavy curries with a lot of kind of masalas and everything. Try to eat very fresh and light stuff, like even curry rice, or you can have dahi rice or dal khichdi. So all these recipes are there on my channel. You can go and check the links and see how I make them. Or you can even have non-fried dahi vadas, which I put up, which is a different recipe and it's equally tasty than just like the fried vadas. Wake up early so that your day is also longer and you can make the most of your day. Like it's really beautiful if you get up early in the morning. Like I try to wake up at least by 6 in the morning, not on all days but whenever I can, and you will see that it's so nice and beautiful and it's nice and cool in the mornings also. And plus you can finish with all your work and then you have a longer day to enjoy and make the most of it by doing stuff that you like. Your hobbies or whatever you like doing, you can indulge in that. Then my tip number 5, try and finish all your chores early in the day before it's really hot and you get tired doing your chores, especially cooking. Try to finish your cooking for the day early in the day, like before it becomes very hot. Like I do that. Once I'm done with breakfast, I try and finish making lunch also by 12:30, so that, or at least by 12 o'clock, so that when it gets very hot, I'm not in the kitchen or just slogging over the gas top. So I try to prep all my stuff and keep it ready the previous day, and make my meals early in the day, and even try and finish making dinner at this in the morning itself, so that in the evening I'm free and I'm not in the kitchen all the time cooking. Some kind of exercise in your day, at least an hour of exercise. It could be a light yoga, it could be some jogging on the spot, it could be walking, just an hour's walk, but try to get some kind of exercise also in your day. You can work out at home also, if you can't go out because of the the times that we are in. So you can always inculcate your exercise at home, or maybe on a terrace in your house or your building, but try to go out and do some kind of exercise, or you can do your indoor exercises. At least for me, I feel when I don't do some kind of exercise, I feel really tired and really lethargic, and the days that I do exercise, I feel very peppy and I have more energy. So try to get that also into your day, just an hour of some kind of exercise. Tip number get enough sleep. So try to catch up on your sleep, and don't try to like wait up to very late hours, and then you get very tired then in the day. So try to catch up on your sleep and get enough sleep. Whenever you're tired and you feel like you need a short nap, just try to take it, especially if you're at home. Then catch up on your sleep. Of course, you have to wear your mask because of the times, but don't forget to wear sunscreen also, or at least wear a hat or a cap or a scarf over your head, because it does get very hot in the afternoons if you have to go out for work or to get anything. Even if you can carry a parasol or an umbrella, that also is really very helpful, and it keeps your skin also nice and away from all the sun tan. And I guess that's it. So these are the things that I like to do, just try to make the most of our day, because it's longer days and shorter nights. So wake up early, get in your exercise, keep yourself hydrated, eat lighter, eat more seasonal stuff, fruits and veggies, exercise a bit, and pursue your hobbies, do the stuff that makes you happy, and like reading or watching your favorite movies, catching up on family time, meeting up, at least chatting with friends. If not meeting up, then catching them up online, and just make the most of your day and keep yourself hydrated, keep yourself nice and healthy and happy. So I hope this video was helpful. I thought I'd just share some few tips with all of you, and I'll catch you in my next video. This is Akshatas signing off. Bye guys.